Olivia. Hey Dashel, my new wooden floors are looking a bit dull. I'm scared of damaging them. What's the proper way to clean a natural wooden floor? Dashel. That's a great question, Olivia. The key is to be gentle. First, always sweep or vacuum with a soft brush attachment to get rid of dust and grit. You don't want to scratch the wood. Olivia. Okay, I can do that. What about mopping? I've heard water is bad for wood. Dashel. You heard right. Never use a soaking wet mop. You want a mop that's just damp. Mix a pH-neutral cleaner made for wood floors with water, and always follow the product's instructions. Olivia. A special cleaner, got it. Any specific mopping technique? Dashel. Yes, mop in the direction of the wood grain. After you've cleaned an area, it's crucial to dry it right away with a clean, soft towel to prevent any water from sitting on the surface. Olivia. That makes perfect sense. Thanks, Dashel. I feel much more confident now. Dashel. You're welcome. With the right care, your floors will stay beautiful for years to come.